Guys, this is Asik Tambol from Rajkot and you are watching Modular Kitchens and Interior World channel. After a long time I am shooting a video, sorry for that because I have lots of tight schedule. Today we are in Rajkot and see there is a kitchen of laminate. This is a laminate kitchen, here we will build a bifold and there is a framing kitchen, right? Today I will unbox a laminate shutter, right? Today you can see that how can box in a shutter, that's a type of modular. Please come. You can see if we are order for a modular kitchen, then your shutters, your carcasses, your framings will be in box and there is a box you can see. Please come. This is a completely box in a good packing. We are outsourcing from outside, right? Today I will unbox it and you can see that here I will unbox laminate shutters, right? This is a laminate modular kitchen. And how, when you will order your modular kitchen, then you can see this type of packing will become in your home, in your dream house. Wow, this is a good packing, you can see. There is a white wrapper on the box again. You can see this is a nice packing. Right, left, and again in top and bottom part there is a white wrapper. This is a safety for your shutter because it's a come from outside. Most of my goods, my all the orders of kitchens, either it is acrylic or glass shutters or laminate, all the shutters I am all the shutters मैं जो मंगाता हूँ वो आउटसाइड से मंगाता हूँ इन शॉर्ट मैं वो कहना चाहता हूँ. Again you can see there is a little packing for the shutters. I will again unbox this. There is a carvot, yes. So finally your shutters, these kitchen shutters is here. This is a laminate carcass actually. I think other laminate shutters in this box. So this type of packing in your kitchen will become when you will order for a modular kitchen. This is a packing of lots of carcasses. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think this is the shelf for this kitchen, right? So this video was especially for unboxing a modular kitchen shutters and carcasses. Thank you for watching my channel. Like, share and subscribe. Take care and bye.